You welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. Me din Nana Asare 500. Ene wie ye wo ye sister. De ma bunu no bebrebe ehwe no. De bi pese wo ye tese wo no because ene ma pefri ni nchen eba amanfo honom. Ne sister oba hofefo oba kokko. Sister Vivian Jill Lawrence. Oh ye nchen wie sister mpacho odi no se no ano no.
Eno ano abono.
Ana odi fufuru bi anka amanfo de fro anka wo pechen Jill Lawrence no.
Oh David.
Okay. Ya ba wonchi awie ya 1212 emebunu no hwe wo ema no hwe wo bebre ebi peso mu yete se wo like coming up the aso wo mu anti nke so mu ma kebi mu ma yete se wo like one or two bi apage wa bedru sabre
I know my bebre because first of all so ti ewiase ase na hu de opesa wo de wa braboye na o manya me bema say ya neboa because ya na ya make decisions bia emboa yen obi wo ha oyi obi ade a onfa ho kra ne de beto ni pakro no obi wo ha chinchina obi ya ade bi nti wo so ye bi e just won ti wi ase na se ba wo betia se na wa accept nyoma bi se de etia say be so mu ama your person watch bia betimi achieve.
Okay, is it empaibo?
Oh yes, empire there. So I fan kan ho bibia nyi.
Mebunu mpeso mu yete se wo no onse nka wo role model a ebi pese wo kala ye kita wi ke bi pese ngomunya like omota bi se kala no if Ghana he ya na se if outside na buy
no na me kan se so one ti wi ase me kala ni Mr. Oman so me kala ni enko am se me kan boche wa you be shocked nti so wa me ti wi ase na chinchina o pese o yete se obi a ena ya na akofa problems a brain kofo bebre no so but o TV ase why accept it that this is who you are and this is who you will forever be enye chinchina e was o yet so bia
okay ye hwa ho fe enye me no meka wankasa wonim maybe obi se me bisa wo ade na ho fe na but we open that's unique of you ho fe pa but we open to everyone.
Me who offer, but I'm still human. Me nipa. Bibi anche se me nipa. Ena so bi who offer na so kire no ho a. Ono an na bi owo. E bi owo adwun foforo bi woni tima, but I see myself as a normal human being. Me who offer senko. Me you different in free obi a. Aduane obi a de bi na me di. Ena so ya na e free. Entity ya yetiti nipa bi ene efia omu free mu ba ene society a go like on my form ho timi there up to date. I still grow with my area guys. I still eat with my friends, my old friends. I me ye bibia normal. If I'm driving on street and I want to park and buy watch, I'll just park my car and go and buy the watch because nipa need na watch no. Me ma stardom no and controlling me bebre kwa na me hu kakra ka bia wo wiase me hu se nyame abo me oba me bad time me wo ma obi person obi person no di nkomo me oba me gate unless say bia me ni ho and I will share me okromo unless say bia no are you rude and bia I'll keep a distance but any power ko ide
wo kasa no beti se wo ka entity e de tete wo se ne de tete wo dia na ya tete wo yi nti eno abi na de ma eja prempeni alfi.
Yes. So obi oni me ba ni bia no. Obi kwa ko shia me ba ni wo baby. Me ba ne kasa ya kasa boy yi buade no. En obi ka che Vivian Jill ba no show no doubt. Enti sa na me dey me up to date me fear ha Clinton enti me Mr. Clinton asem say okohema me fi krom never know. You want to tell me you should learn how to talk to penny for. You should know how to even talk to our mate. Because we mate, we feel so mate into bekasa bia, almost no bekasa bia. But oh wow, command wow, respect amount one there. You should learn how to respect others too. Into am there to tell man.
You know say eja prempedi won Ghana but you were for USA.
Yeah.
Is it a new trend that say about system say celebrities no when you have to go outside and give birth like Ghana hospitals no they don't serve you well or you had a different reason for going outside that call
Oh, me there. Obia no say me when it comes to Ghana and outside, bibia me choose Ghana first because me pay me mind. And me were period of time be I medical vacations. Me boa me sika no ye adwuma kakra. Inya kakra me say bia. Next year July me to kwan. Next year be a March me to kwan. Ti me share say me to kwan next year this month no. And it happens say me means any baby share. And initially, me I'd wanted to go and come back and give birth here. Okay. But the Jew na me check a month no anyway no. It's okay fine. And then my mom was here. Okay. And then my way, but my nya dream be say me benyim na makako wo abrochi. No, me nyim foforo biom na me fo say me time I'm dey back abrochi so ya na ma ho boa so ya. We have good doctors. Yeah, well good hospitals. Like me hospital me for trust care. They are the best.
Okay. In say half year USA. The man bisa question we ne we sister nso ko wo Canada.
Yes.
We sister Nana Ama. Ono so wo baba and also wo half baba. Definitely they will be friends. To who say half in Nana Ama baba ni diagra.
Na so ni na diagra ana
Wani ni diagra. Me kan good dia kwa kwesi say so man nyini kakra na say relationship our SMB bema.
There's nothing I can do about it. Now, if you're finding so many be 20 and I be 18 years, no makwa kushiana, I feel sending hano like there's nothing meaning and I mean I ain't who she say nyame ashisha. But nyame she say dear, ya for so come bom krana, be separate. I know the nyame na ni jaimano.
Yeah, can't have him back to movie industry. No? I know, or let me ask this one first. Are you still a single parent?
I would say yes because me kwana me fear me remember. Papa bianca me hono o fear hani de make us a single parent.
So single parent in the movie, how do you blend it? Like once we a single parent, o kwa obaka ho. Ti o kwa seta obaka ho. What do you say now? I was we shooting. How do you? We just see baby no ko shoot iba.
Mostly na ya mama mo wo ha o mo boa. Me start ejuma we na me mama wo ho. So she was always there for me. Na Saturday night Mr. Premper on the na me jaina man of school ba on na. Enti me mama free mu na isenya obi foforo. Me ba me ne neti mercy. She's more than Enyampo. My fan say me mama obeso Clinton I share Clinton na besi ne ono na san share Alfie. Until with mercy me are very comfortable even if I travel outside Ghana. Onime we hume me ma tina say what tima say onim me penny dey me pe and she knows what is right and what is wrong. So mercy nti eboa
the nyamia say when you boa for bia ma wa also omo mpeso me yet say one aso omo hwe wo motivate omo bebre. They want to know like single parent is it coming to an end?
Bible crack as a dear wash say bia we. Of course it will because yana me kasa me baby I miss because my brother no hu emu ya fan say best 70% de me jai nyame me ma hu ode ni my experience about 30%. Enti nakopon bema I believe said that could pay na a see nyame be hwehwe ne na me rushing koye ne o ma bia na at the end of the day painting me who white or outside for people to know she's comfortable, she's married, she's staying with her husband in which I feel na mesu panyakopona ti me hwehwe na du ono ne penswa Mastro abonti asasiri wo me fia. I'll have my peace of mind for the rest of my life. Nti ho de ya na me jama nyame.
Nkomo ya twetwen so bi ti say we single parent no watimi aduru say ya. Obi a woni mo no be short kakra because single parenting driving ma bebre to troubles and maybe intimi nduru baby o maduru no. Nkurahye sem be na be kan kire emomo go through that.
That they need to be very strong. E won pai bom. And omani ko omoma ho. Mr. Premper is when you and by now, and you send come fan. But he won't stay for a whole day. I want to make call. My friend and Opano one for my friend and you man one for. The next thing is I'll drive straight to his hostel. On one cause my man send me how what tia ya to bune bisame. It tia some me bisano. Why? But this year so what this year you need to be careful. You need to be that. And kolani swa you can control them. But mo ba benyinia. Now you so when you know you know betimi abone bra. Life will be obet picky and no and one or the benin. And then sakolani ba benyini na ensi year definitely it will affect my future. My babri where we know na Mr. Prempe hamia. E hokwa be ye yasin ne. Until they need to be very strong. No more money konkolani who no matter how the situation is. You see us like this, you know, and you better bra. Obi who of so you are rich to the extent say you don't have any problems. Oh, obi who ba of so any mommy waste TV. In this house, you eat what is there. Obana your rice and bread and soup. And one other manager at the back. The day I have money, the day I'm supposed to my year Juma, Sikabusu, no my year Gianni, my shopping. You asked me for something and I don't have. And yet by force I was saying, Kobo Bossy and I say, Mikoye Bibi, Nini Nama, Colanin Titi, and oh, who does the cow, and who does the kenny ho, or who's here brepes guy, a debito, near Dibi, Netina be Nini Nano, Titia Colana, or Nina, or ye or yema.
I'm on for because a movie and I'm Mowiska, Edward Drew Baby Audrey, and as a war business, like you are kind of businesswoman or movie, yeah.
From day one, way back, even way back from school, I'll be a business minded. Your business baby will have to make a say, but a discaka crab baby. Oh, taste a Vivian cry, a Juma will be the one whole best you cry. But a bed bring me to come meet me to me bills that tragedy and I'm a mad, you know. I don't really care about what people say. And to moving it, dear, I will not stand anywhere and say, Mbwame. It has really helped me a lot. I exposed me. My chance to meet the right people that I was dying to meet. I've traveled around the world. My first of all, I don't mean to so moving on my near bed, you know, we hear stories, maybe would be too for, you know, to moving in there. Abwame.
Question back could be besame. And the main bisawa. Main bisawa me drew here Mboa on your cross when in Jihon. Opesu or family. Are you the one taking care of the whole family or the family has money already?
I'm not from a rich home. Neither am I from a poor home. I've lost my mom. My father is still alive. But I have siblings for me, papa's side. I have 2 brothers from my mother's side. Say, being Kobe Fee, Kodidi, being Fro, being Nisika, and Scanted, and Indy, my bus school is no. You need be where you're bushing. But you never Sikafu gidigidigidia. You can see a 2 year dent, yes, I am that. A Bushana, me film no, or be a bon home model. Till you are cool.
Okay. Apart from our Fine Prempe, are you taking care of different children?
Of course, because my mother taught me how to even cook and serve others. I say, yeah, and no diane mawi yamunkwa. She said, yeah, no diane mani busumo binya bedi. Se meni nkola bi nti se omotimi fie ha me twa mo school fees a. Me won nkola bi bra me twa school fees. Even me won penny for kra me hwe wo no. Aye, me pe obusumi bia obi adro beko, obi edidi sika beko, obi hospital fee will go obi. Enti nkola ne de ene badi into us de meti ha mini kra me won 9. Vivian Jill Lawrence. Ebi kra ye mema ye Victor J Lawrence. Enti I think me and I'm blessed because of my good heart. Did you be a baby?
Okay. Poleeno Multimedia. There is something coming up like Jill's restaurant or?
Yes, Jill's Aroma. Yeah. Also, na me wo restaurant na me wo pub. and I'm closing it down for some time. And the reason why I meet BA Jill's Aromani, I started program last year. Me who did a single parenting. About time crop, about time I'm going to show my boy a bema, I'm going to show neba. Obi also your bow, I'm going to show neba. They started say you try program, you try, yeah, but I came to realize, say no. I'm about programs, this one here more. Program is you try years so. I feel near better your boss, I copy sponsors, or mobile bois. Na yet me solving coffee problems or more the beba. Na yenya sponsors and still don't for the problems in it. So I thought of it and my team and I decided say the juma be beba. So ya obi benya juma di biaye. I say yes kaka free ho. I say mo be nyam free abontin my sponsors be nyam free abrocha and I say baby Maya. No be the problem kakra bi ba yet me solve it. I started say yes shooting no. Obi ho ba o kasa wi ani problem nane solve man 500 cedis. Or they started business. Yeah, it be me man kofoska. Me no ka say, oh, obi buy my man is can and so one from me akoshe business or start here it just say nina e shenya me animunyam. So we thought of it and then we decided to say, okay, fine. And I fair juma limbra. Inti ye break it kakra. And I day single parent in about ohwe cars motor say sisi hire. And then you be delivery. You be no aduane. You be corn sorry akoton. Ebi me car ni bi nam street so a wo hia na gina ne tobi cause so to one plate bia na eso mfa so no ye betimi dia to aduro ama yarefo bi ye betimi dia ama batan bia ebi a wo hia bia ne kwa ma ne bedi sada no eni tin ye bia Jill's Aroma.
Okay. Oh, Jill's Aroma no say vans beko outside.
Yes. We have motorbikes, we have vans, yeah, they beko schools, yeah, they beko sorry, yeah, they beko we even sell on street. We take it to the market side everywhere.
Taking it to the market side, once it will be a juma, I know targeted people be a officer the mom. What considers will be take it to Uma level, same penny for.
You know, yeah, will be because yeah, more and they solve problems. Yeah, more. I'm a yard for yeah, more me into beer and tea. I don't know. Yeah, me no boarding didn't so we need scar winter mean to be. Yeah, be ya baba would not can one hour 10 city crowd when you be at all. Van waiting.
If I am one we hear will be better than be another we hear more in kind or in cash.
And more be in kind, both in cash. So program you started say yeah. Obi what advice ka credit obi better na show next one. Ebi a foot obi wa betimi dey to me. The numbers go say. Obi also wa so watare bi awie wo mpe wo aduane bi wo fie. See that. If I tell you the number of people that they come to my office a day just to even be big to a bit to eat, I will be shocked. You won't tell you a few. Or aduane wo fie ba wo hu ba bi on fan cry no fan komo obi. Anything I hear as single parenting program no what the best me so here funny omo hu chi omo no so hu betimi atom kaka
Him say yakas will be our experience and only will be share. Is it because of your experience in single parenting and what for you we are not say you pepper from your own heart now person will boy
both your pepper and my own experience. I've been there than that. I've gone through a lot. I know how it feels like being a mother and then you wake up in the morning and now we need to pray. Ewo bagging. Even my mother, it got to a point Juma beye basa na me mama ade channel pana me ko school just na ye na dwendwene. My experience kakra me kai say na we say sorry corner dance bi ho. Ewo Prempeh College echi ho. And the watch is na battery na say. Ti boy anwumre 4:30 no na ka battery na say. Ti na ni ti o hwe ni watch na ye 4:30 no fu say obedware mi be we be nante aye bedru ho a maame ne be sori ne ade onya ne me odware me ne ye ti ye kwa ye dru Prempeh Park na so no sana free na abo one and am come my be wo what ne to gu me ne me maame so and then my mother was trying to protect me with na kaka so no na odi mi ahye na chi ti ochmanfo bi e wo ho na omo be pam nkram so maame wo kwen 1:30 wo kwen na chese me maame bonani a na ye ni suo papa ne pa akonya bi bench bi na maame de meto so de na kata so kata me ho na ye da ho to an opabe 5:30. Sorry. So to what go through nyoma we say na me sure so unkwa me didi. Yes. I've been there. Me said there when you buy a different when you buy a different ubani so cry so no so cry and the money be obedi but mo boss kakra o ma hu kosua o ma hu enam o ma hu emu o ma hu calipo na that be dibi no aya na ahomete
me pajo after Alfie I won watch your movies
one just only one because me ma me hu time kakra so me wo ya che na nyankopon ma me bi end aya me ne mercy pet na wo se metena fie ehwa akola me ka che me ma na duru ye bia ansa na master te adwuma ena asa ne ye adwuma no se kofom kakra for now nti ma traba ko pe ya bro ye bi
adwuma no kofom me bisa ebetimi afa wo so ama adwuma na rise wo intention bisa wo be ye
bibi ye nyina yes because you see no ya fa adwene bebre the mistakes nyina ye hu producers who are mistakes directors who are mistakes we the artists and so ye hu ye nyina ye mistakes and it's and let's say that sometimes you read the comments maybe on social media you go like really adwuma we obi no obema na say ye dey e fa na say yenya ye fame we yenya ye nim na we but e bia na me baby bia na wo baby nti ye underground worker say kumawood started say babiema people will see the big difference between the try ye near your first and any nyina ye correct your mistakes. You are really working hard on that.
After the mistakes are being corrected and you may be go kwem movie bi ho no ma ya hyehyɛ dada sɛ wo ba betwa anase munyam plan
yes me across I mean your production back will be until you see I decided 7 day and also be I'll do my own productions more and producers and so I hear a good script I will be a one of them because the good movies never about things to say we will really take our time to shoot a movie and yet it's a first now you're sorry I need a year man.
What do you say wo prempe na wusa emaya wo musa wo mafa furu na so mpeso mu advice be na adwe mo
afa furu na dia wa fa na deda and tint na say wo ko school na afa furu na wo wi a obetimi akọ wo so mfo a wa wo nyam fa ya no don't even think about it don't because ujina nchen a wo beka say o ba wo wi a na upobi ama na so ba mu kra na watwa ho ketua bi a obehu se de sitie ntin kola ne de emfa me ma wo ntem a na Mr. Prempe nyina ba beto me a efe you think so Vivian Jill Lawrence wo ntem kwanya na no ye actress no it has never been easy the funny de nipa hu na de nya funny de ya pa no me kasa me ka ebro de funny so they should just take their time, concentrate on adwuma na wusua you husua school na wo kwa no ayero ho akọ aware ni awo wo ho ma yen time bia
adwuma na wusua you husua se school na wo kon so a you ho nakọ would you recommend acting to the upcoming ladies
obi wo ha ope obi wo ha de ni woni mu deda but oshana say mboa wa enya by force se be actress akọset so a mehu ge obia one na wo be for this ni wade bi oye meti oye ma ni ro na nkoye ehun sa na obebre ti bi sa apart from acting obe don't know show pesca photo forms na ne yanko bi mani bi na odi scanning to e na obi ampese obe mani bi na obeso ye nursing to pe pesca photo nursing forms na set na na e was me there to be honest na me di mi candidate the guy said it's all my time me pay bia na me pay bi man okwato forms no na obegi fee kakra wo me ho no start ya na fe ne ofamo ne ma me nuanom ne ade no me hu se na why serious so be ko school so they started helping her me no kasa awareness e wo kono go sesi anti nya chinchina wo se wo be actress na se wo se wo be famous en kola na nti nyoma bia se wo se wo be waste two times na talent and yame demand as a gift and yame demand no will cash it just because you want to be on screen And yeah, Juma went one year, Juma.
Yes, Sister Jill, what found Crabia what to more syndicum?
Me fair be bat me one ma be brea. Omu womu did that. No, my family, my omu godmother like.
Coming up, minimum crime, minimum be 5 or 6 beer, Umafa as role model. Did you have any role model?
Of course I do. Ghana had a nipa. Me share, okay, my first time I share kumawood, na me ni Ghana ka. Na Nana Ama Mcbrown. And me who na me catch my brother out in China. Me black fi adewe. Me call Ghana meet me I know so wo dey me so beti. And Nana Ama dey up to date. Me share the movies. If me share kumawood a wo mu a me share. And she's a legend. Me penny bibia. Enti assemble cry to me and I say assemble bow to me from as a brony bra. You just need to be strong and we are sisters. We offer me, we share ideas, we talk up aside acting cry no. Yeah, brabo moon she is.
Okay. Thanks for watching Poleeno Multimedia. Sister, final words to your fans.
To my fans, they are awesome. Because Ejuma no nyo bia na be accept also my woman check. Now up to date and go for either so pay movies and go for pay I think I'm blessed. So me da o ma say na fence so mu hu ye ho asem bia na o mu tie ye ho asem bia. Yeah, they shouldn't be too quick to judge like and then something na na ye no kre and omo kai no mpabum because any bebre show no bebre kan ho asem no. Yana eating kakra. Intimida. Obia se obi opema se bia medana se.
Okay, thanks for watching Poleeno Multimedia. We just spoke with our sister Vivian Jill Lawrence. Sister Mrepemno, ebesa ba wonche.